Hello everyone, welcome back. Lately, my inbox has been flooded with one specific question. Mahesh, we have seen the three candle theory and inside candle setups work on stocks, but can they actually work on Nifty? Traders are curious and honestly a bit worried. I see questions like, is Nifty too volatile for these setups? Or do I need to change my time frame for the index? And will the option premiums move correctly with these patterns? I hear you. Today, I'm going to prove that price action is universal. Whether you are trading a stock or Nifty or any other index, the market leaves the same footprints. I'm going to show you exactly how to apply these two powerful strategies on a 5-minute chart specifically for Nifty. By the end of this video, you will stop guessing and start trading with a clear process. Let's head over to the charts. So here if you see, this is Nifty futures chart, okay? And as you everyone knows, we have two setups, two strategies, that is three candle theory and inside candle setup. So let's deep dive into these two strategies, where are they are appearing and when we should take a trade or not. First of all, let's go for the risk management table. Here, if you see, for Nifty or options selling, Nifty future or option selling, for one lot which has 65 quantity, your required margin comes out around 1,90,000 without hedging. But if you hedge it, you can buy one lot in around 1 lakh rupees only. Okay. In this case, what I will suggest, if you need a 2 lakh rupees for one lot of Nifty options selling or Nifty futures trading, then you should have minimum 3 lakh rupees in your account, and your max loss limit should be 5% of that particular total capital. So it comes around 15,000 on 15,000. Okay. In case if you are using reduced margin like 1 lakh rupees, then also in this case you must have at least 2 lakh rupees in your account, and in that case you must keep your max limit to 15,000 only, but your max loss exceeds around 7.5% of your total capital. That is still fine. Okay. So let's deep dive into future charts first. So here if you see, let's take an example of yesterday chart of 16 Jan. So this is a 5-minute chart of Nifty futures. Okay. So here if you see, first candle and second candle forms a inside candle setup, but it is not valid because 20 EMA is trading below 50 EMA. So I will not look at this particular trade. Now if you see here, one first candle, second candle and third candle, this forms a three candle theory setup, and also green candle has a highest volume. Also if you see, when third candle is formed, it has crossed the 50 EMA also, right? So here there is our trade, but remember you should always see whether 20 EMA and 50 EMA is trending upwards whenever you are taking a trade. So here if you see, 50 EMA is also trending upwards and 20 EMA is also trending upwards. So I will take a trade here with same logic. My stop loss is coming out around 59 points. So risk reward should be 1 to 2. Here I get a 1 to 2 risk reward. I will exit the trade. Here one more thing I would like to highlight. Here your stop loss is coming out to be around 59 rupees. Okay. So let's take an example. You are entering at around 25,811. 25,811, and your SL quantity is 65. Your SL price is around 25,749. 25,749. Okay, so your stop loss is coming out to be, sorry, risk amount is 4,030. Okay, so here I would like to take your attention that you should at least able to take three trades in your index, if you are trading index futures, right? So max loss in any trade should not exceed above 5,000 rupees, then only you should take a trade. So here it is 4,000 rupees and your max loss limit is 15,000, so you can definitely go with this particular trade. Okay, always remember this. If you are trading nifty futures or option sell, if you are doing option selling, then your max loss should not should not exceed in any trade above 5,000 rupees. Fine. So this one is one trade. Now see where you get a next trade. Get any trade here? No. No. Here you get a trade. So here if you take a trade, short position here, your stop loss is here, because this is the three candle theory setup again. See here, 20 MA, 50 MA is also trending. Here I will take a trade low. Your stop loss is around 46, which is a risk amount is well within control. So if you see here, I don't get a target, but definitely my stop loss has not hit. Even it is not closed about 20 MA. So no need to trail your SL here also. Okay, fine. Let's move to the earlier day. One more thing I would like to highlight here. See, if you see this kind of behavior, like EMAs are, like if you see here, 20 MA is in downtrend or it is not trending upwards, 50 MA is not trending upwards like here. So better, if even if you find a setup, you should not enter into the trade. There should be a clear picture that 20 MA and 50 MA is trending in upwards if you need to take a buy trend, or in downwards if you need to take a sell trade. Okay, fine. So let's move to the another day. Here is a setup, but your 20 highest volume is in red candle. So I will not take this trade. This is a three candle theory setup, but I will not take this trade. Okay. Here there is a trade. Then if you take this trade, stop loss, target 1 is to 2. So here if you see, if you take a sell trade here, your target is hit, right? 1 is to 2. And you exit the trade at around 230 candle. Fine. Now let's move to another example. Yeah, again, if you see here, this is a three candle theory setup. Red candle has the highest volume, 20 MA, 50 MA is in clear downtrend. So I will take a trade here. Low of these three candles. High will be my SL, that is 50 points, which is within risk limit. Now here my 1s to 2 is coming out to be around that this point. So price has not reached at that point. Here it has closed about 20 MA. So I will trail my SL to this high of this particular candle, and I will exit the trade at a lower loss. Fine. So always remember 20 EMA trailing rule. Don't get emotional. Always follow your rules. Here again it is trending, so I will look for here opportunity. No. Here I can take a trade. So here there is a trade for based on this 1 2 3 candle theory. Here I will take a trade. High of this candle, low will be the stop loss, and my risk reward should be 1 to 2. but it has not hit on the same day. So I will exit the trade in small profit at around at the end of the day. Okay, fine. Now let's move to the another example. Here if you see, this is a three candle theory setup, but red candle has the red candle has low volume, so I will not take this particular trade. Though you see that if we would have took this trade, we have got a target, but don't go on this basis. You always follow your rules. Fine. Here if you see, here again it forms our three candle theory setup. I will take a trade here, short position. High of this candle should be my SL. 1 s to 2. I got this target here only, right? Fine. Again, if you see here also I get another setup. One, two, three. Three candle theory only. Short position here. 1 s to 2. Did I get it? Let's see. Yes, I got this 1 s to 2 at around 214. Okay, so that is fine. So I got two profitable trades, two are profits in on 9th of Jan. Let's move to the Thursday. Here also if you see, perfect setup, but I will not take trade. Why? Because high volume is in green candle and I want to take a sell trade, so I will not take trade here. Fine. Yeah. Now if you, I will again look for the next opportunity. Here I got a new opportunity. First candle, second candle, third candle. I will take a trade at low of this particular candle. High will be the stop loss. So I get here risk reward of 1 s to 2, right? Yes, I got here risk. Don't look for the higher risk reward 1 s to 3, 1 s to 4 targets. If your setup, if your process says you have to exit at 2 hour profit, you must exit at 2 hour profit and again look for the next opportunity. Always remember this thing. Don't get greedy. Again, you will get a, here if you see, you got an inside candle setup also, but I will not take trade here. Why? Because I want to take a red, sorry, bearish sell trade. My mother candle is a green candle, so I will not take this trade. Okay. Here it is a, no, here also I will not take because red candle, green candle has high volume, though here is a three candle theory setup. I will not take this trade. Okay, fine, no worries. Let's move to here. No, here also the green candle has the highest volume, so I will not take this trade. There was a setup. Here also there was a, there is a setup. There is setup form. First candle, second candle, third candle. 50 MA is trending at the lower side. If you see from here, but I think we should exclude. We should not take this trade because 20 MA is almost horizontal here. So just skip this particular trade. Okay. Though we got a target here 1 s to 2. So this is what important thing, where you should avoid the trades, where you should take the trades. That is very important. Even if you see the setup, then if it is not within your risk limit, you should avoid the trade. Another thing, if 2050 MA, if you see there is a no trending, proper trending of 2050 MA, then also you should avoid those trades. And other rules you know regarding volume and all. Fine. No. Here if you see, is it an inside candle? Yes, here it is an inside candle setup. See here. Here is an inside candle setup. So I will take a trade at Low of this candle, high will be my SL. Do I get my target here? Yes, I got 1 to 2 target. Okay, fine. Here there was another trade which you can take here. Low 1 no target hit here, but market closed above 20 ma. The candle closed above 20 ma. This 240 candle. So at high of this candle, I will exit the trade. No emotions. 100% execution as per the rules. Fine. So this is how you can find out many examples. You just have to follow the rule. That's it. No any ambiguity while following your rules, right? Here, if you see, huh, here it is a three candle theory setup is formed, right? High green candle has a high volume. 2050 ma is also trending. So here a buy, here comes a buy trade. Low of this candle is a stop loss, and your risk reward is 1 to 2. But I guess you don't get here 1 to 2 risk reward. Here what has happened? Your candle closed below 20. Which candle closed below 20 ma? This candle closed below 20 ma, 2 p.m. candle. So I will exit at the low of this particular candle, right? So still it is fine. I got a 1 to 1.25 kind of a profit target here. Again, if you see, I got a inside candle theory here setup. This one, 2, 3. But you don't need to take this trade, because if you see 20 EMA is looking like it is not trending upwards, right? It is trending downwards. So just avoid this trade. Same here. If you see, yeah, here there was also a trade, but yes, I will explain this. 1, 2, 3, or here also there was a trade, but it has a highest volume in this candle. Which candle? Nine green red candle. So I will avoid this trade. Here it is a three candle theory, perfect setup. Green candle has the highest volume. I will take a buy trade. Yeah, I got it 1 to 2 target. Okay, so there are lots of examples. I would suggest you, as there is a weekend, you should definitely study these charts, Nifty future charts, and look for the opportunities where you would have took the trade. Right now, let's move to the option buying charts. Okay, people are very interested whether this works on options charts as well, right? So most of you most of the people do option buying, but they don't have exact strategy, exact setup, exact risk management rule. That's why generally they fail. So what you can do in option buying, if I have seen, even if you are trading with a maximum of uh, 3, suppose you are trading with in the money, and you have a entry price is around, let's take an example of 300 rupees. You are trading in deep in the money, 300 rupees. So you need almost total entry quantity 300, SL price is around, say for example, 260. Then it comes down around 2600 rupees, right? So in case of option buying, you may need max capital in any trade is around 300 into total 165, 20,000 rupees. Okay, so here, always remember, in case of option buying, you must have at least max loss limit of 10%. Wait a second, this is 1 lakh rupees. You need at least 1 lakh capital, and your max loss daily loss limit should be 10% of your total capital. Okay, so this is what equation is. In any trade, you should not lose more than 25, 2600, so that you should able to take at least 4 trades in a day. Fine. So in this case, your max SL should not exceed above 40 points in case of option buying trades. Always remember this point, okay? Always remember. So here if you see, market is trending, right? So if you, here you are clearly seeing like Nifty is trending downwards, right? So let's take an example. For example, let's take 8th jan 8th jan, and what is the price of the Nifty here? It's almost around 26,100. So what I will do, I will go for 26 200 Nifty put. 26 200 Nifty put 8 jan. Yeah, so see here, this is the chart, and I want option to do option buying, right? So here rules will be same only what we have done in inside candle theory, sorry, on futures, Nifty futures chart. Okay, so here if you see where setup is forming, just look at this. Here there is an inside candle setup, but yes, here it has already started trending, right? If you see here, first candle, second candle, then it had started before the hitting high of this candle it has, but you should avoid this because 20 and 50 is not trending, so avoid this particular setup. Here if you see, here is a perfect setup, this one, first candle, second candle, third candle. So what I will do, I will go here for the trade. 20 50 is also trending in, well trending. My max loss should not exceed above 40 points in any case. Max to max it should be 40. I am talking very realistically, it should be 30 to 35 points only, but it is okay sometimes if it is coming out to be 40 and you are finding setup is promising, then you should take that trade. Here you get a 1:2 target, right? Exit the trade as soon as you get a target, fine. One trade you get. Again if you see here, first candle, second candle, third candle, again a inside candle, sorry, three candle theory setup. I will take trade here at the high of this, because green candle has highest volume here also. If you see here, here also you get a 1:2 target. Two trades you get where 1:2 targets. So no, don't look for the very high profits so-called setups, or what we say, high risk reward kind of a setups. Just stick to your 1:2 risk reward setup. You will definitely get good trades if you follow that setup, and you will definitely earn good money if you follow that particular setup only, fine. Again if you see now, 20 is in downtrend here, right? It has started trending downwards, so I will not take trade here if, even if I find a setup here. So just don't take a trade here. There was a setup, see here, 1 2 3, but I will not take a trade because 20 is in, looks like it is in downtrend, so I will not take this trade. It is fine, no worries. You should skip those particular trades, okay? Okay, this happens again on the next day, right? This is the next day, that is 9th jan. Okay, so here if you see again, here setup is forming, right? But you should know, एक second. Here there is a setup form, first candle, second candle, third candle. So it is a inside candle, sorry, three candle theory setup. Green candle has the highest volume, so I will take a trade here at the high of this candle. High, low will be my SL. 1:2. Yes, I got a 1:2 reward here only, right? In this candle rather. So here my trade is over at around 10:55. Now again, if you see here, there was another inside candle setup. First candle, second candle. Sorry, I'm again and again saying inside candle. Three candle theory setup. First candle, second candle, third candle. So here I will take a trade at high of this candle. Low should be my stop loss. But here if you see, stop loss is above 40 points, so I will skip this particular trade. Remember, I should definitely skip this trade because stop loss limit is exceeding. My max stop loss limit is 40 points. Remember this. You should follow your rules. Though I got here 1 to 2 risk reward target, but I should follow, I should not take this particular trade. Okay, I will wait for again for the next setup. Here if you see, I got another trade. First candle, second candle, third candle. Third candle has a green candle has highest volume. Can I, is it eligible? Yes, it is eligible. 22 points of SL. So I will take this trade. I got 1 to 2 target also. Fine. I will exit the trade at 2 hour profit. Again, here was a trade. If you see, here there was a trade at high of this candle. I took this trade, but in this trade, my stop loss got hit. See, right? Here my stop loss got hit in this particular candle. Fine, no worries. I will again look for the next opportunity. No, I don't got any opportunity. So I'm not just switching the charts because option charts, because it is high premium. Here it is a very high premium. So might be if you are trading at in the money chart, in case of this trade, we have skipped this, right? Which one we skipped just now? There was a good trade, right? Here 366. No, not on this trade. There was one trade which we skipped. No worries. There was a stop loss was around 48, but if you have traded near to at the money option, then that stop loss would have been lesser than 40 points. So you might have, it was okay to take that trade also. You got there 1 to 2 targets also. Fine. So this is what about the option buying setup, Nifty option buying. So I hope you are clear that even if you do option buying with proper rules, you can definitely earn money, earn profits, right? Without deviating from rules. Most important thing. See here. We won't be able to go more in historical part because we don't have option charts for historical Nifty chart. So we won't be able to look for the historical charts in case of options. Okay. If you want to do option selling, then also fine. You just have to sell the, if you want to take a Nifty's buy, yeah, you know option selling how you should do. Wherever when you are taking a call trade for buying, you have to sell the put accordingly. Fine. So here if you see, Nifty is trading around 25,700. Suppose I want to, I will go at 25,800 Nifty put chart. Fine. No, Nifty put. Yes, I will go out on 25,800 Nifty call chart. 1 second. Nifty call. Yeah. So if you see, do you get trades anywhere in case of option selling? Yes, you can get, you will get a trade here. All right. If you, no, but there is a high green candle volume is high. So I will not take this trade. Yeah. Here I got a trade. First candle, second candle, third candle. So I will take a trade here at the low of this candle and high will be by stop loss. Here I get a 1 to 2 target. Fine. Same way here, I got a trade at around low of this particular candle. So my stop loss is around 23 points here in case of option selling. These are option seller selling trades. Okay. So here I got a 1 to 2 target. Yes, I got 1 to 2 target also. Right. Yeah. Same case here. Here also I got another trade. Three candle theory setup. 1, 2, 3. Low of this candle. High should be my stop loss. Whether I got a target. No, I don't get here target. But at no, I got target, I guess. 1 second. Yeah, I get the target here also. I get a target, right? See here, 1 to 2. I get here. So as we seen, we can definitely use our both strategies, that is three candle theory, inside candle for Nifty futures trading, option buying, or even for option selling on 5-minute time frame. It is perfectly fine if you want to use this on 15-minute time frame. You will get very less signals. And why I have shifted to 5-minute time frame, to be very honest, because in case of indexes like Nifty and any other index, take it like mid cap Nifty or even bank Nifty, sometimes movements are not that much. Like in case of stock moves around 5%, 10% in a day, but here you get a movement of around only 0.50%, 0.5%, 0.7%, or sometimes 1.2, 1.3%. So it is better to look for the setup on 5-minute time frame. Okay, I hope I am clear about this. So here, as we saw on the charts today, Nifty isn't a beast you need to fear. It's just a market that respects high probability setups like the three candle theory and the inside candle. When you stop chasing every random move and wait for your process, your trading becomes peaceful and professional. Now, I have a small task for you. Don't just take my words for it. This weekend, I would suggest you open Nifty 5-minute chart and look for the historical charts and see the results with your own eyes with these two particular strategies what we have just seen, that is three candle theory and inside candle. When you see the results with your own eyes, your confidence will definitely reach to a new level, and that is where your real growth begins. I want this channel to be a roadmap for your specific trading journey. What are you struggling with right now? What topics or strategies do you want me to simplify next? Please drop your requirements in the comment section. I read every single one, and I will be picking the most requested topics to work on for our upcoming videos. Let's build this age together. Thanks for watching. Stay disciplined, and I will see you in the next video.